Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. After years of helping customers create their dream patios, our team has learned that smart storage can make or break an outdoor kitchen. Let me share our top tips. Great outdoor kitchen storage does three essential things: keeps cooking tools where you need them, protects everything from the elements, and makes your space look professionally finished. If you're building a permanent outdoor kitchen, built-in drawers are absolutely the way to go. Look for 304 grade stainless steel with weather seals and soft close mechanisms. And here's a pro tip: make sure at least one drawer is deep enough for bulkier items like pizza stones. Working with limited space, a high quality bar cart might be perfect for you. My own teak cart has been going strong for 8 years, and I love how I can move it wherever needed, from grillside prep station to dining area buffet. And don't forget about trash storage. Nothing kills the vibe faster than a flimsy plastic bag flapping in the wind. A pull-out trash drawer is one feature nobody ever regrets adding. When choosing materials, remember the outdoors is harsh. Stainless steel, teak, and HDPE are your best friends for durability in any weather. For more detailed advice and product recommendations for outdoor kitchen storage, check out our comprehensive guide in the description below this video. Ready to transform your outdoor cooking experience? Visit patioproductions.com to explore our complete collection of premium outdoor storage solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling from all of us at Patio Productions.